Hello, I'm Beena Shukla here with the topic Flying Together. Students, there are many things your parents and teachers tell you to do on time. As get up in the morning so you should not be late. Do the homework so you should not be asked in the school the reason of not doing. Pack your school bag so you should not forget and you should not be embarrassed in the class. So many things are told you so that अनप्लीजेंट कंडीशंस शुड बी अवॉइडेड. ऐसी कोई स्थिति ना आए जो आपको अच्छी ना लगे या किसी को ना अच्छी लगे. और कोई काम अगर आप सही टाइम पर नहीं कर लेते हैं तो वो काम अच्छा नहीं हो सकता है, बिगड़ सकता है. सो व्हाट हैपेंड व्हेन यू डिड नॉट डू एज दे ask you to do? Many times you are facing embarrassing situations जब आपको अच्छा नहीं लगता है और आपका काम बिगड़ता है. So this story will tell you about those things that when elders say something, so you have to obey. Some things are not such type of work. Those have a slight liberty to be left. No, those are must. So this is very nice story, Flying Together. So first activity we are going to do, you have to speak some words loudly and then you have to write three times. So we should proceed. Happened, didn't, asked, forest, branches, strong, geese, plural of goose, geese, noticed, past tense of notice, noticed, creeper, spoke, past tense of speak is spoke, destroy, surprise, replied, reply, this is past tense of reply, replied, become, thick, opposite of thin is thick, strong, opposite of weak, strong, possible, opposite of impossible is possible, hurry, pity, young, opposite of old is young, advised, tender, tender, easy, easily, hard, opposite of soft, answered, answer present and the past is answered. Because story has already taken place, so it has to be in past tense. Forgot, past of forget, begin, 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 winding, stronger, became, again past of become, became, search, search, in search. Climbed, climb, present, climbed is past of climbed. Returned, return, returned. Trap, trapped, this is trapped, past tense of trap. Struggled, past of struggle, struggle. Cried, cry, cried, this is past of cry. Caught, catch, caught, caught is past of catch. Fuss, fuss, fuss. Happened, past of happened. Wept, past tense of weep, weep, wept, wept. Listen, यहाँ पर आप देखते हैं here T is silent. Listen carefully. Pretend, pretend. Harm, throw. Quick, quickly, quickly. Quick is adjective, quickly, adverb. Muttered, muttered. I will discuss meaning afterwards. This is muttered, past tense of mutter. Threw, throw, past is threw. Flapped, flap, flapped, this is past tense of flap. Watched, watch, watched. So this is a story from Panchtantra, a wise old bird, and our lesson name is Flying Together. So speak these words, write three times, and next time we will proceed with this lesson. Bye.